Hello, welcome to the Box Magnet. My name is Godswill, and on this channel, we explore the art of trading, uncover lucrative crypto ventures, and master the strategies to seize wealth building opportunities. Whether you're just starting or looking for advanced tips, you are in the right place. I upload regular videos packed with insight and tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for joining, and let's get started. Basically today I want to show us how to mine AUREVIA. AUREVIA is actually one of the easiest crypto airdrop that you can mine with ease. It's something you just need to set up just once in a day and you allow it to mine for you. Every 24 hours you come back, you repeat the process. Alright, so without wasting much of your time, let me just show you what to do. So the very first thing you need to do is you go to this place. Look at this place where you see 100%. You click on it. So once you click on it, it will open up this way. So once it's open up, for me, I've actually done my tax for today, but if you open yours, you might be seeing 0. All right, you might be seeing 0. So here might be showing you 0. So all you need to do is you click on this particular place. Is for your daily check-in. The next place you click on this. So once you click on this, it's going to open another page for you. All you need to do, just either use any of the emojis to like, to love, or whatever you want to do there. You just do that, counts for you. All right, then the next thing you need to do, look at this third one. This says active timer. Once you open this up, you're going to see 5 minutes. It will start counting down. Make sure you don't close this page. Just stay on this page for 5 minutes. But while you're staying on this page, you don't just stay on this page, you continue doing your other task. Okay, so look at this one below here, this add explorer. So what you need to do here, once you click on this particular place, it starts showing you like adverts where you need to start clicking on things. Okay, so that is what this particular place will do for you. It will just show you what to click. After that completes, you click on another one. So you actually need to do it for like 10 times, and within the space of 5 minutes you should be done with all these particular things in this particular place. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is you come to N. Okay, so you go to a place called N, which is here. All right, you go to N, but before then I will show you how to connect your wallet. So you go to N. Once you click on N, it opens up. So you see there are lots of activities here that you can be doing. So here you have the weekly tab, you have the social tab, you have the in-game, and the network tab. So I will take my time to explain this to you. So once you click on the weekly tab, so you will see this particular interface where I am. It shows you join Telegram, then you add the via to your username on Telegram. All right, so this is just what you need to do, and once you do it, you come back there, you click on start. All right, click on start here. It will just mark it for you. All right, so that is just that. Then the next thing you will do after that, you go to social. Okay, so you see there are tags here. Okay, so there's even a tax here for me. So this this says upcoming update. So all I need to do is click on start. So once I click on start, it's takes me, it's supposed to take me to Twitter. Okay, so it takes me to Twitter. Then from there I would read up the update and do the needful. Then it marks for me. So sometimes even without even actually reading, but once you've clicked on it, just wait for some minutes, it will mark it for you. Then you can see the next one here, which is upcoming update. So the first one I clicked was upcoming updates. If you look down here, this is it. It's actually at the bottom. So it's asked me to type a comment. So this other upcoming update, it asked me to retweet and like. That is the instruction. So I'll do this on my other device. All right, so the next place you need to look at is in-game. So once you come to in-game, what this place simply means is each step you cross, like each milestone you reach, you come back here, you come and claim a particular a power, right? Okay, so look at this particular place. So the moment I got to 100. all right, so this is the first one. The moment I got to 100, it gave me the opportunity to come back here and claim this 0.1 power. All right, so this is my mining power. All right, so with the moment I also got to 300, it also gave me the opportunity to come back and claim just like that. So far I've gotten to 1200. all right, so now I'm actually heading to 2500, which is this one. So once I get to 2500, I will come back here and claim this 3.5 mining power. Okay, so far this is my total mining power, like my earning at the moment. All right, so all I need to do is just do this task, and I will just watch the system mine for me automatically. Then the last one I want to show you is this under network. Okay, so what this simply means, this is where you do your referral. When you refer people, you also get extra mining power for referring people. So for here now, you can see the moment I referred one person, I got 1.0 mining power. So the moment I referred up to 5 people, I also got another mining power. So when I go to 10, the same thing. When I go to 25, the same thing. So I'm actually heading to 50. So once I get to 50, I will also get additional mining power, and then just like that until I get to 500 people. Okay, so this is just an additional way for one to earn mining power, which would actually guarantee you to earn more in this particular airdrop. So before we go, I want us to quickly look at this option. So looking at my screen, you will see this particular place where I circled. So what this simply means is it's actually an opportunity for you to earn more. So once you click on it, you see advert like this will start displaying. So all you just need to do, wait for the option, this advert to count down. So immediately after the advert completes, so it's going to come back to this place again, so you can continue to click and watch. So basically at the end of this cycle, it's going to show you a kind of timer counting down, telling you, okay, probably in the next 15 minutes, 1 hour or thereabout. This is just like an example. It's going to show you, okay, how long it should take you for it to refill again. So if I were to be you, I'll pay attention to this place. This will help me boost my earning here. All right, so the next thing you look at before we go is the option where you can actually connect your wallet, which is this particular place. So once you click here, you will see the option to connect your wallet if you haven't connected it. So for me, I've connected mine, as you can see. So just go ahead and do the needful, connect your wallet. I'll be adding the Twitter handle so that you can follow up for official announcements. Then I'll also add their Telegram channels, which is another source for information where you can get different updates on whatever they are doing. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please consider hitting the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me create more great content for you. Don't forget to like and share if you found this helpful. Until next time, take care.